Hello, Miss Kenya. My name is Daniela Lucio, and I'm going to explain about monophthongs, some information of this, and the right pronunciation when we make their sound. So, let's get started. This is the way to write the sound of monophthongs. The vowels that have a colon are the long vowel sounds, and the rest are the short ones. This is the first group. We start with E. E. The second, E. E. The third, U. U. And the fourth, U. U. Then we have the second group. We start with E. E. Then the other, and this is curious, the name of this is Shua. We pronounce this like uh, uh, uh. And the third is ah, ah. The last of this group is O, O. The next and last group of monophthongs start with A, A. Then we have A, A. The third is A, A. And the last of all this group is O, O. As you could see and hear, we have 12 monophthongs, and the criteria to describe a vowel is according to the height, vagueness, and roundness. Let me show you an example. A short monophthong E, E. In height is high, in vagueness is front, and roundness is unrounded. Some words with this vowel are pig, being, sieve, sit. These were the monophthongs. Thanks for the attention.